If you're looking for the best underglow kits, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So, let's get started. The number one position is dominated by OPD7 Aura Strip Interior Lighting Kit. The OPD7 lighting kit offers a brilliant combination of smart color with all three primary colors to produce a vibrant hue that's appealing to the eye. The 4 LED strips are flexible enough to carve around any surface and are weather resistant. The lights will stay on through a heavy downpour. Additionally, the lights feature SoundSync, a bass-activated technology that flashes lights according to the beats of your music. The lights can be controlled with a wireless remote and are programmed with E to Z controls, multiple flashing modes, variable speed control, one-touch color selection, multicolor mode, and hardware door assist white lighting. It will only take about 5 minutes to install the lights because you only need to plug in the car charger adapter and the lights will come on. The kit also comes with 3 different size adapters that can be plugged directly into your fuse box. A major drawback of this product is that you may buy a model with a sound syncing feature that doesn't work at all, or it may work for some time and then the light will fade away or just change to one color. The door assist feature that's supposed to light the LEDs when you tap the door may also not work. Moreover, the lights aren't as flexible as most LED underbody lights. Moving on to the next, at number 2, we have Xprite Car Underglow Light Strips. The Xpride Underglow Light Kit produces bright and uniform neon light due to its intelligent combination of 3-in-1 RGB chips and high-intensity SMD LED chips. It has a durable construction with a flexible rubber tubing that's weather-resistant. It also resists damage from the debris and other road conditions. The kit includes a wireless remote control that operates within a 100-foot range, and it features fast on and off lighting response and adjustability. The unit has a multi-color function featuring 4 lighting effects, 8 preset static colors, 2 preset fading patterns, and 2 preset jump function. It also has 4 music modes that flash the light according to the rhythm of your music. The kit includes 2 to 3 foot and 2 4-foot LED strips, and it's easy to install the lights anywhere in your car's interior or exterior due to its quick connect plug and pre-applied adhesive tape. A major downside of the lights is that they have weak adhesive tape and after some time may get ripped off by your tires, especially when driving at high speeds. The control box may break down with time and you may not be able to control the lighting modes. Also, some of the color changing patterns may not change to the proper colors as the unit gets older. The number 3 position is held by SUNPIE LED Off-Road Lights. If you're looking for great LED underglow lights that will go under your Jeep, ATV, motorcycle or even your boat, look no further than the SUNPIE Specialty Off-Road Lights. Their lifespan boasts more than 50,000 hours with a Cree LED chip to promote extra brightness. The lights are specially reinforced to prevent damage and lens yellowing due to outdoor use. These lights are waterproof, shockproof and anti-corrosion. They are 12-volt lights but can range from 9V to 30V depending upon usage. But these aren't just perfection for outdoor fun. If you do work outside and need extra lights for visibility, they also work great in construction vehicles, agricultural machinery, headlight excavators, forklifts, and armored vehicles. However, these don't change color, so you'll need to buy the color you want. They can be quite hard to touch after use, so be careful if you need to clean mud off of them. They are exceptionally bright and many who buy boxes of 6 strips end up not needing all of them. Next, at number 4, we have Botepon LED Rock Lights. For a great price, Botepon provides a pack of 6 blue LED rock lights. This pack comes with a 1-year warranty, giving you added peace of mind with your new purchase. The bulbs are 12V and waterproof, so you can easily take them on off-roading adventures. They consume less than a traditional bulb once their brightness decreases over time. They are installed via screw and tape with wearing connections. These lights are very bright and easy to install, although choosing a color via their website can be a bit confusing. If you're looking to mount them underneath the vehicle, then the adhesive is not very strong, and you'll have to get creative. The wears are short and thin, so ensure you know what you are doing before you dive into it. The number 5 position is held by Amak LED Rock Light Kit. Amak has designed this kit with off-road uses in mind, but they are also versatile across vehicles and locations. With a beautiful blue hue, these lights can be installed anywhere you can drill a hole. They come with a lifetime warranty as well as 365-day money-back guarantee. These lights can even work underwater, making them great for boats or jet skis. They're built for universal fit, including motorcycles and trucks and exterior and interior lighting. They're easy to mount and very bright. However, the colors do not change, so you have to buy a kit that has only one color. They are controlled via Bluetooth, although sometimes there are issues with it connecting to turn the lights on and off. They do have to be wired in, so you will either need to know what you're doing or have a professional do it for you. The number 5 position is held by LED Glow 6. Is it possible to get a neon LED hybrid? Well, the LED glow comes pretty close. Neon Underglow kits are identified by their bright colors and glass tubing. LED Glow uses LED chips but houses them in glass cases. This pack has 6 pieces in 3 different sizes: 24 inches, 36 inches, and 44 inches. You can link the pieces together using the 6-foot wear at the ends of every piece. Another name for underbody underglow is ground effect lighting. And whether you are using your car stereo to DJ a street party or cruising the nightlife, this underbody kit will make a real statement. It lights the path beneath you in 7 vibrant colors, creating a real block party vibe. You can control it by remote, and it has several lighting patterns from soothing to exciting. These aren't rainbow colors though, they include white and teal. The glass tips are waterproof, so you can safely splash through muds and puddles. But being glass, they're susceptible to any rocks or debris that you will kick up, meaning they may not be the smartest choice for your wild campsite revelry, especially for tall underbrush. LED Glow is a blend of long-lasting LED chips encased in neon light glass tubing. The Underglow kit has a 1-year warranty and can be preset to thrum the sound of your stereo. Party time! Finally, at number 7 with MCtanning RGB Bluetooth LED rock lights. If you're looking for a high-quality, stylish product and are okay with spending extra, then MCtanning's Underglow lights are the perfect solution. Arriving in packs of 4, these multicolor lights can be switched out to 4 different colors. They have a sleek design that easily blends into your vehicle. They can be controlled via app, and the app is able to manipulate multiple sets of these at once. They can even be coordinated with your music. These lights are quite bright, but you're able to dim them if you choose. As specialized for a party, these lights can also be installed inside yachts or on the interior of vehicles. They come with 15 different sets of scenarios as well, and they can be mounted with screws and adhesive, and they're also waterproof and high impact resistant. These lights are only operable via app, but the app is not user-friendly and has pairing issues. It is worth noting that the app has been recently updated, but there are still reports of it being problematic with very low ratings. That's all for today. We upload product review videos in every single day. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.